लिंक्डइन पे सिर्फ प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करके वेट करना इज दिस इज़ व्हाट एवरीबडी इज़ डूइंग,
of
राइट? बट
course.
अच्छी सी स्पोर्ट्स कार ख़रीदें और उसको पार्किंग में रख दें, दैट देयर इज़ नो शॉर्टकट, राइट? Speed can differ for sure. They would try to achieve things which others have achieved in 20 years. उसको शॉर्टकट करके 5-7 साल में. So 20 का 15 तो पॉसिबल है, लेकिन 8 या 10 पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो छोटा सा हम एक फ़ोन भी ख़रीदते हैं, राइट? सो हम उसकी इतने सारे फीचर्स चेक करते हैं, उसकी बैटरी से लेके उसकी एन नंबर ऑफ़ थिंग्स हम चेक करते हैं. सो हम एज एन इंडिविजुअल जब जाएँ मार्केट के अंदर, वी आर ऑल्सो सेलिंग आवर सेल्फ एज अ ब्रांड.
Yes.
We are offering something in the market.
Well, personal branding is something that plays a greater role in your career क्योंकि अगर आप unique हैं but you're not selling yourself out there
Absolutely.
and your personal brand is not there, how would people be able to recognize you? हेलो शाहरुख, कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक. Thank you very much for inviting me at Hustle.
Thank you so much for being with us today.
Pleasure.
Quick questions since conference चल रही है, we won't take much time of yours.
Sure.
You are the chief people officer at Martin Dow और आपने HR में पहले भी बहुत काम किया है. I have covered a lot of CHROs और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा career advices cover करती हूँ for young professionals.
Sure.
तो one career advice that you have received up till now from your mentors that you remember and you'd like to share with other young professionals.
All right. So definitely there are more than one or two, but if I would like to pick one thing which I would like to definitely pass on to the younger generation is that there is no shortcut, right? Speed can differ for sure, right? Some people achieve what they plan to achieve in 10 years, some take 15, or some might take a little more. So that could be a little different, but there is a natural process. There is a way, how you learn, you adapt, you perform, you grow, you groom. And that is something, if you young people, younger generation, they would try to achieve things which others have achieved in 20 years, उसको shortcut करके 5-7 साल में. So 20 का 15 तो possible है, लेकिन 8 या 10 possible नहीं है. बिकॉज हर चीज़ का एक प्रोसेस है, ठीक है? एंड इफ़ यू गो अगेंस्ट दैट, यू गो अगेंस्ट नेचर, राइट? चाहे वो एक पौधे की ग्रोथ हो, चाहे एक बच्चे की ग्रोथ हो, एवरीथिंग हैज़ सेम इज़ आवर करियर, सेम इज़ द लर्निंग प्रोसेस. सो आई थिंक और देन व्हेन यू आर इन दैट प्रोसेस, continuous value addition.
That's important.
Nothing is something which doesn't help.
Of course.
So how on your journey, how are you adding value to yourself? मैं young graduate से जब बात करता हूँ universities में, कहता हूँ when you are starting your career, you are like a A4 का blank white page, right? Now whatever you acquire is kind of adding here, right? So छोटा सा हम एक फ़ोन भी ख़रीदते हैं, राइट? सो हम उसकी इतने सारे फीचर्स चेक करते हैं, उसकी बैटरी से लेके उसकी एन नंबर ऑफ़ थिंग्स हम चेक करते हैं. व्हेन इट कम्स टू अस, वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स, जिसके लिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जब उनको हायर करती हैं तो वो उससे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव रिसोर्स हैं, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो हम एज एन इंडिविजुअल जब जाएँ मार्केट के अंदर, सो वी आर ऑल्सो सेलिंग आवर सेल्फ एज अ ब्रांड. वी आर ऑफरिंग समथिंग इन द मार्केट. सो अब उस इतने इमेंस कंपटीशन में भी हम बात कर रहे थे पाकिस्तान की पॉपुलेशन की, कॉन्फ्रेंस के अंदर यूथ की बात कर रहे थे और इमेंस कंपटीशन की बात कर रहे थे. तो व्हाई आर वी डिफरेंट? व्हाई वुड समवन से कि लेट्स हायर बी नॉट ए और सी? बिकॉज बी के अंदर वो क्या यूनिकनेस है. हर यूनिवर्सिटी से एक बैच में से 250, 300, 500 लोग निकलते हैं. एवरी क्वार्टर 10,000, 15,000 बच्चे सिर्फ बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट से निकल रहे हैं. उसी तरह से डॉक्टर्स निकल रहे हैं. सो वो जो यूनिकनेस है, वो जो वैल्यू क्रिएशन है, दैट इज़ समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
ऑल्सो आपने यूनिकनेस की बात की, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू डिफरेंशिएटिंग, मे बी व्हाट्स मोर available in front of us, that also matters. For example, personal branding is something that plays a greater role in your career क्योंकि अगर आप unique हैं but you're not selling yourself out there,
Absolutely.
and your personal brand is not there, how would people be able to recognize you or approach you in that case? So how much you value personal branding in anybody's career?
See, it is exactly like that कि आप एक बहुत अच्छी सी स्पोर्ट्स कार ख़रीदें और उसको पार्किंग में रख दें, if nobody, so इसी तरह से अगर if you have those skills, if you are ready to add value to the market and you are unable to communicate, personal branding is simple telling that this person with these skills is available and who can add this value to your organization or to your business. And there are n number of ways, right, where you can do. आजकल दो टूल्स आ गए हैं, उसको भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लिंक्डइन पे सिर्फ प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करके वेट करना is this is what
Of
everybody is
course,
doing,
of
right? But
course.
how you start interaction there, how you
Wonderful.
start showing that okay, I am there and this is what I can do. So इसके अलावा भी, so branding is very important. And so your LinkedIn profile, your CV, your how you appear in any conference, seminars, even in
Networking.
your networking, your ability to say hello to people sitting right or left on an airport waiting lounge, everywhere.
How social you
how
are.
social you are, or are you? So reading a book is perfectly fine, but or listening to your music is also good, but don't leave any opportunity to connect with people.
ओह वंडरफुल एडवाइस. अच्छा, और गलतियाँ क्या देखते हैं आप यंग प्रोफेशनल्स जो गलतियाँ कर रहे हैं? कुछ हमें 2-3 बताएं, आपने नोट किए हो.
Right. See, it's a different way of how they achieve life, which is perfectly fine. But I think एक phenomena है जिसको अब again पहले हमने कहा था कि when we talk about the generations, right, the millennials, the Gen Zs and all. And for the last 5 years, we were talking about the corporate world has to change for these generations, which to an extent I agree, but not completely, right? Because हम इतना ज़्यादा जो है ना वो skewed हो गए थे towards this कि बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कि हम basics से हट गए थे. So what I think is कि when we talk about these things, so there would be there would be ways where जो एक standard processes हैं या आपके established facts हैं, those would continue with a blend of, yes, the new generation which is coming in with their things. And बहुत सारी organizations, I was reading and researching something last week के many organizations now want to go back to 5 days a week. Right? And for the last 3-4 years post-COVID, we were all talking about flexible working and agile working and all those things. And all of a sudden now we start reading research aani shuru ho gayi, organizations in the question, and now they're calling back employees, and some big names, I'm not taking those here, are finding it very difficult and are trying to get into these conversations, arguments in fact with their employees. So time is the best judge, but and हम अभी transformation की भी बात कर रहे थे. So yes, we transform from A to B, and then we realized that it was too fast, and I think we again need to change again. Of course, change is always constant, but we really need to see what's the substance behind it, what is the research behind it, and be flexible to adapt and change. For sure.
Okay, that was wonderful, sharing the advices from your end. But before closing the interview, is that one tip that you'd like to share with students and young professionals who are watching you? One tip.
Yes, so there's a general question, because I interact a lot with students from different institutes, be it management or medical and others. And a very simple question which is asked is, which is the best field? What should I take? Where are the most job opportunities? And I think it's been over 10-12 years, and my answer has hardly changed, is that whatever field you choose, right, you need to create your value in that. इसका simple example किस तरह से दूंगा? If we go and say कि there used to be a time 20 years ago when every house wanted to have a doctor, engineer, या 2-3 ही fields होती थी. And then we moved out from the technology side, computer science and all. लेकिन आज भी अगर आप उस basic पे भी जाएं, and if you are building your house, right, you would like to go for the best architect, best civil engineer, right? तबीयत ख़राब होगी तो you would like to go to the best doctor. सो आइडिया इस कि आज भी उतने ही कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट चाहिए, उतने ही गैस्ट्रोंटोलॉजिस्ट चाहिए, उसी क्वालिटी के चाहिए। शायद ये था कि पहले पूल में 500 थे और आज 800 या 1000 हैं, जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल। लेकिन नाम सिर्फ कराची में 10-20 का होता है। उसी तरह से पैन पाकिस्तान ले लें तो यू कैन हार्डली काउंट 25 to 50।
So when it comes to quality, I think one should chase excellence. That's
One
the
should
thing.
change excellence, continuous improvement, continuous learning. The day we think we know it all, this is where the decline starts. So satisfaction is the base of decline. So coming back, जो भी करें उसके अंदर
Excellence chase
excellence,
करें.
so there could not be a half-hearted approach.
हाँ.
कोई भी चीज़ हाफ हार्टेड करेंगे सक्सेस नहीं होगी। किसी भी चीज़ में, किसी भी फील्ड में, फ्रॉम डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर टू आज हम एआई की सारी बात करते हैं, सो हम कंप्यूटर साइंस और विच एवर फील्ड वी पिक, वी नीड टू बी क्रिएटिंग वैल्यू, वी नीड टू स्टैंड आउट, वी नीड टू डिस्टिंग्विश आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम सो मैनी मी टूज। दैट इज़ वन सिंपल थिंग, जिसमें जो चीज़ अच्छी लगती है वो करें, जिसमें
Wonderful.
इंटरेस्ट है वो करें।
Wonderful.
I have a daughter who's 14 years and I would never tell her कि ये करे। I always have a conversation.
Let her decide.
मज़ा किस में आ रहा है? Because जब किसी भी चीज़ में मज़ा आता है, चाहे वो काम हो, एजुकेशन हो, फिर वो effortless हो जाता है।
Of course.
So if I love working with people, I love working in HR, I love delivering trainings। 8 घंटे की ट्रेनिंग भी मुझे नहीं पता चलती। I can stand and speak to a group of 30-40 people in a training hall and can have conversation, exercises and all, because this is what I love to do। But if you ask me to do something which is behind the desk, sit for 8 hours, वो बैठने के 8 घंटे मेरे लिए ज़्यादा मुश्किल है बजाय इसके कि you know, speaking to people and standing and having
True.
conversations।
I think फिर वो 9 to 5 भी नहीं लगता। और 9 to 5 हो तो भी you can pursue it more as much as you want, even
Exactly.
on weekends.
Exactly।
It was wonderful having you on board. Thank you
Pleasure.
so much for being with us.
Thank you very much once again and all the best।